Okay, we loaded up the little kayak in the back of the truck, but we've had some problems here that we encountered this morning. Kind of got used a little duct tape because there was some holes in the boat, and so we're gonna duct tape it and we're gonna go for it, and we'll see you at the lake.
Yeah, he's about to get in the thing. Hoping he doesn't fall.
Okay.
He did it.
I don't know if you want this. Let's see.
Probably not.
Okay.
What do I do with the camera now? Do I need to stop?
Go around. Just here. You bring it.
Keep recording.
No.
And we're in the lake. I'm hoping that capsize.
Take a picture.
Let me turn.
You better get bumping. There you go. Now start. There you go. You didn't get me. That's okay. No, I think we're losing air. I think our duct tape is. You think so too?
Yeah.
I think we're sinking. I think you need to get us back to shore. Get us to that dock. Can you get us there?
I'll try. Probably not.